Hey, it's Maria, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a new page from existing content in your root system. So what we're going to do today is I want to create a pricing page because I don't have one in my website. So what I've done here is I've given the context, the website folder where the website lives on my Cloud Code system, in my root system. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to help me define this page, what goes on it. I'm also not sure if we still have some old pricing models or services on the system that I haven't seen. So I'm just going to ask it to start going through the documentation and the strategy and the pricing and everything we have so that we can create this page in the most informed way. Now it's reading through all the documentation that relates to pricing, also the website, all of the different types of strategy documents that we have most likely. So let's see what we have. Let's align the offerings with you first. So we have a DIY, we have the sprints. So it's asking me some questions here. Let's see what it's asking. The sprint pricing shows 3 sprints. Yes. Done for you is missing from the site. Should it be on the pricing page? Yes, it should. Then we have a human in the loop version, which is quite a different offering. I want to see everything on the page. Then it's going to be easier for me to make these decisions. New pricing page. Yes. So this is what we have. What I love about this is that I actually don't remember all the products and services that we've created along the way. And right now, the pricing cards are on their respective pages, but I don't have a page for all the pricing to be found in the same place. So this is not only going to help me create this page, so it's going to be easier for people who land on the page to find the pricing, but this is going to help me create a solid strategy for pricing because I'm going to be able to see what exists and make sure that I'm actually clear about what I offer and hopefully create the strategy that supports my product in the best possible way. And the reason we can do this is because the strategy, branding, pricing, all of these documents are in my system. My root system knows exactly what's where. It also knows my website. It knows every single page on it. It's built it. So this is going to be way easier for me to create compared to, let's imagine I had to do this on another website builder that didn't have access to my strategy documentation directly. What we are doing is we are actually working on the root file. And what this is going to end up becoming is website pages. It can become content. It can become emails or slide decks or a course or a sales page. What we are creating now is essentially a sales page. But what we are doing is we are using our root system and files to directly create that using the brand guidelines and different skills that we've created in the system. So this means that you only need the system that you have, and you will be able to manifest in all of these different areas from the one place. And that really differentiates from other AI tools and SaaS tools, because in most places you would have a different system for your website. You have to manually edit it yourself. It's not going to be drawing directly from your system and your actual strategy files. So that's the main difference and the main value that I see for using Cloud Code instead of some other AI tools or add-ons on existing tools. What we're doing now is we're actually building the page. So it's going to build the page and it's going to show it to me. Let's see what we have. I'll just ask it to open. This is what we have now. So choose how you build your system. This is the pricing page. No coding or AI experience required. That's good. Not ready to buy. Start here for free. Build your own system. We have the DIY and the cohorts, and then done for you as 3 separate things. And then we have the ongoing support in a different card here. Which path is right for you? Yeah, this is really good. Obviously, this comes from the documentation. We have some UI issues and challenges here that we need to fix. So we have white text on cream background, for example, that doesn't work perfectly. But the basic foundation of the page is actually really good. But yeah, essentially I like it. It literally created it in, let's see how long, 7 minutes. 7 minutes to create this page based on my actual sprint strategy, the actual pricing pages, etc. Now you can see all the textures and images and as they are. And now that I have this page, this is still a local file, right? So this is not online, but I am able to go in and make edits. If I want to then publish it, I can actually just push it to Hostinger. So let's do that. Push to Hostinger, please. Let's not add to the navigation just yet. So I still want to have a think about this and see how it is. And then when I'm ready and I'm done, then I can ask the navigation to be added here. So I can have a pricing page in the navigation for all the other pages as well. But right now I want to push it online, but I want to still think about it. And I want to not guide to this page directly. And now it's actually deploying it to Hostinger directly, which will happen in the background. And we will go from having a local file to actually being published on the website. So we'll be able to find it here in just a moment. Now it says it's live. Let's see. And here we are. We have the page live and ready to go. Now I'll just make some edits to the visuals, make sure that everything's correct. But you can see it live. I could link this to people if I want to. And yeah, that was less than 10 minutes of the full process right there. So this is the power of using your root system and your root files and pushing directly to your website based on your strategy documents without having to do any kind of manual shifting or creation of pages. It's just using the UI and brand system that I have with the actual strategy, pricing, and all the information that my programs have. Thank you for watching this. Ask me if you have any questions. Always happy to help. See you soon. Bye.